My dear friends, I'm now sauteing garlic and onion in olive oil. I'm going to make a stir fry of different kinds of vegetables because I still have leftover of vegetables in the ref. And I have a package of sprouted beans that must be cooked already before it becomes not fresh anymore. I'm going to cook it, but yeah, it will be for tomorrow. I'll just cook it for today. I'm going to show you how I make it. Stir fry vegetables. Now I still have leftover of green beans from the previous day that I cooked. So I said I'm going to cook it now before it becomes not fresh anymore. And freezing them, I still have beans in the freezer, so I cut it very small so that it cooks faster. And I also add one carrot that's also cut at the same size as the beans. I'm going to saute it until it's a little bit soft. I'm going to season it with a little bit of pepper and salt. And later I'm going to add some soy sauce. I can add also oyster sauce, but I'm not so much fan of using oyster sauce. So a little bit of soya to enhance the flavor. And then when this is cooked, I'm going to add a few shrimps to have a little bit more of a taste to the vegetable. And lastly, I'm going to add the half sweet pepper that I still have left over from the previous cooking. And then after that, I'm going to add, when it's almost cooked, to add the sprouted beans at the last few minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes of the dish that I added. Then because sprouted beans, they cook fast and it must not be overcooked. So green beans is a very delicious and nutritious vegetable, and you can cook it in many ways. You can saute it with flakes of smoked fish, a can of tuna, or a can of sardines, and with boiled rice. And that's already a very good meal. Now I'm almost finished. Now I add a few shrimp with it. I didn't remove the shell of the shrimp because it gives an additional extra good flavor to the dish. So now I'm going to add now the sweet pepper. Before I add the sprouted beans, I add first 2 tablespoons of water to the vegetable and let it simmer for or boil for 1 to 2 minutes. And then now I add now the sprouted beans. That's the last part of our cooking, because it must be a little bit crispy, because when you have to warm it up, it gives an allowance for the cooking of our vegetable, and it also give a little bit of water to the dish, so you don't have to add too much water in it. So my dear friends, this is our wok grunten for this Friday evening, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.